Hi guys, welcome to this video. If you've seen the other videos on my channel, you know that normally I film supercars, luxury cars, supercar clubs, drifting, a range of different videos related to the automotive world in Qatar and the Middle East. But for this video, I thought I would do something different. I thought I would video the unboxing of some Takara Tomy Japanese diecasts that I got on a recent trip to the Philippines. This is the first unboxing that I'll be doing. It's of the Mazda Cosmo Sport Patrol car. So yeah, let's get into it. So here it is unboxed. As mentioned, this is the Mazda Cosmo Sport Patrol car. I believe it to be a Japanese police car, as it's made by a Japanese company, of course. So if we start on the bottom, you can see some detailing here. You've got the Tomica name here, and you've got some detailing running along the bottom to the end. You've got, I believe, the drive shaft to the exhaust. You've got the model of the car, which is helpful because on this box, unlike the other cars I bought, the other cars have a picture of the car that you're getting and the scale and the exact model number. But this one doesn't have any of that mentioned. It just has the number and the Tomica event model. So if anybody knows, I'm guessing maybe that's a series of cars being made. On top, it says Mazda Motor Corporation. So that gives a hint to the car it is. But yeah, anyway, coming back to it. If I just reflect in the bottom here, you can see the detail nice and clearly. And if we come to the front, and the side, you've got what I believe to be Japanese writing there and written Tomica event model. The interesting thing about this particular model, when I was just confirming exactly which car this was on the series, I found the same car produced by Takara Tomy, but here instead of 5 symbols, there were 3 symbols, and here, where it's blank, there was writing across the back here. So I don't know if there were 2 different versions of the same model. If you know, feel free to comment down below. I'd be interested to find out. If we look at some of the detailing of this car, here, the axle, it bends, so it gives the illusion of suspension. That's a nice detail there on both sides. If we open the car doors on both sides, basic, but you know, it's a nice touch. The details inside. You've got, of course, 2 seats, steering wheel, dashboard. You've got a gear stick there. Bit hard to see and make out there, but it's there. And nice little touches which they didn't have to do, but it all adds to the detail and the quality of Japanese products, which I've always liked. See you've got an armrest on the door here on the inside there, and also here you've got a rear view mirror, a reflector here. You can see it's sort of engraved into the windscreen there, and of course you've got the police light on top. So this is the first diecast I bought from Takara Tomy, and you know, so far I'm very impressed. Very good quality, good for children because very strong. If I try and squeeze and bend it, there is no flex at all. The glass doesn't come out or anything like that. It's detailed enough for adults as well as collectors, and the price point is bang on. I think you know, you get enough quality and detail for the price, and I think that's what has always drawn me to Japanese products. This particular one I paid for just under 500 Philippine pesos. This particular one as well was in the display cabinet in the toy shop in the SM Mall in Pampanga in Philippines. And they had the box for it separately. So I was able to get it from the display cabinet, the car. It's in perfect condition. And they had a box for it so they could put it in. But that's why it wasn't sealed. And it looks a little bit, you know, like it's been thrown about a bit, but it was a nice one to get for the collection. And I bought this one, another one from the display cabinet. There was an Aston Martin Vanquish I really wanted to get, which I was able to get later, but the one in this display cabinet had scratches on the side. And what was also great about them was I came back maybe a week and a half later, and they had the same cars, nothing different. And I was just about to leave, and I said thank you. And the lady called me back, and she said that we just had a delivery, moments before. So she went off and brought about 4 or 5 boxes full of these Takara Tomy model cars. And she opened them in front of me and took one of each of the specific numbers out, so I could pick and choose and see if I liked any of them. So I took a few more as well, which I'll be doing videos of later. But yeah, very good service there. And yeah, overall the cars and details are excellent. And also, just another point I just remembered as well, if I just roll it across the table, it rolls very well, smoothly, and it rolls in the direction you point it, so it doesn't drift from one side to another. So yeah, overall, very good quality, and very impressed. If you have any questions about this particular car, or if you have any other models you'd like me to review and check, please feel free to comment down below. Please also subscribe, and I'd appreciate if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching.